is Cecil B. Moneygetter, host of Money Talks, a new financial news upload that is laser focused on digital finance, cryptocurrencies, robotics, electric vehicles, stocks, the cannabis industry, and much, much more. Tune in and join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern on our Information Meets Execution YouTube channel as we bring you financial news uploads, one trending topic at a time. And don't forget to stay listening, because money talks. Good evening. Today is Almighty Monday, July 15th, and I'd like to welcome you to Money Talks. Our first news story comes to you from Trending Topics, and it's a story about Trump and his media empire and other linked stocks jumping after the failed attempt on the former president's life. Several stocks are moving Monday following the attempted assassination of former President Donald Trump at a rally in Pennsylvania over the weekend. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group Corp., the parent company of social media platform Truth Social, are rallying Monday after a bullet grazed Trump's ear at a campaign rally on Saturday. The former president was treated at a local hospital before being released Saturday night. Analysts have suggested that the assassination attempt makes it more likely that Trump will win back the White House in November, according to CNBC. Several Trump-related stocks appear to be getting a lift from increased optimism around Trump's chances of winning re-election. Phunware Inc. shares were up more than 30%, while Rumble Inc. stock was up approximately 8.5% at the time of writing. And the news from Wall Street, U.S. stocks ready for a positive start in preparation of Powell's earnings speech. U.S. stocks look set to start the fresh week on a positive note, unperturbed by elevated valuations they have amassed, especially the mega caps. The index futures were mostly higher in early trading, reacting to potential removal of uncertainty on the political front. Odds of a victory for presumptive Republican candidate Donald Trump spiked higher after Saturday's shooting at a campaign rally in Pennsylvania. Traders may pay attention to the regional manufacturing reading and Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's speech. Earnings from a couple of key names from the financial space could also evince interest. Wall Street went about a volatile ride in the week ending July 12th before ending higher. Small caps outshone their bigger counterparts after Jerome Powell soothed nerves with his seemingly dovish comments and the June inflation report that showed further thawing in pricing pressure. However, its wholesale counterpart did not turn out to be as benign. The NASDAQ Composite and the S&P 500 indices clocked records ahead of Thursday's consumer price inflation report, but made a contrarian move by pulling back sharply despite the tame numbers. On Friday, the averages came back up despite the producer price inflation surprising to the upside. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, which underperformed on the other two major averages, and the Russell 2000 Index rose for 3 straight sessions starting Wednesday. The former reclaimed the 40,000 mark for the first time since mid-May and hit an intraday high, but closed just shy of its all-time closing record of 40,003.59. Carson Group Chief Market Strategist Ryan Dietrich is confident of the rally continuing. He noted that the Russell 2000 outperformed the Russell 1000 and index comprising large caps by more than 3% on July 11th. This happened previously during the lows in 1987, October 2008, October 2011, March 2020, and November 2021. All super bullish times. In fact, S&P 500 higher year later every time and up average 32%, he noted. Up next in technology news, Jeff Bezos and Masayoshi Son's SoftBank lead a $300 million funding round for startup working on developing general-purpose brain for AI systems. Artificial intelligence company Skilled AI has secured a substantial $300 million in Series A funding. This investment round was led by Amazon.com Inc. founder Jeff Bezos and SoftBank Group, led by Masayoshi Son, among others, and is aimed to be developing a general-purpose brain for AI systems. Skilled AI, a spinout from Carnegie Mellon, recently emerged from stealth mode to announce the successful completion of its Series A funding round, the company announced last week. The company is focused on creating an AI system that can be retrofitted into various machines and robotic devices. The funding, which was raised at a valuation of $1.5 billion, was led by Lightspeed Venture Partners, SoftBank Group, and Bezos through Bezos Expeditions. It also saw participation from Felicis Ventures, Sequoia, Menlo Ventures, General Catalyst, CRV, Amazon, SV Angel, and Carnegie Mellon University. Skilled AI is the latest entrant in the AI space with the ambitious goal of developing an artificial general intelligence. Skilled AI's long-term objective is to create a modular artificial brain that can be retrofitted for use in any compatible housing. The company's roadmap for partnerships were not disclosed in the Series A funding announcement. Get in the comments and let me know what you think and how you feel. And up next, with the start of a new week, comes the excitement surrounding a new set of companies looking to make an impact through their public offerings. These enticing companies are scheduled to trade publicly this week. TWFG Inc. becomes publicly listed starting on July 18th, 2024. The company has a price range set between $14 and $16 with a 180-day lockup period. TWFG Inc. will be offering 11 million shares at a per-share value of $15. Ardent Health Partners will be trading publicly starting on July 18, 2024. The company's price band is set between $20 and $22 with an insider lockup period of 180 days. Ardent Health Partners will be offering 14 million shares at a per-share value of $21. QMMM Holdings Limited will be trading publicly starting on July 17, 2024. QMMM Holdings Limited will be offering 2 million shares at a per-share value of $4 with an insider lockup period of 180 days. There you have it. That's this week's IPOs for IPO Monday. And if you didn't know, an initial public offering, or IPO, is the transitional process of a private company deciding to go public and offer shares to investors on an exchange. Typically, IPOs offer companies the ability to build capital. Before a company becomes publicly listed, it must meet SEC requirements and work with investment banks through audits to determine pricing, offering date, and other important data points before the offering. Companies and investment banks will work to establish a price range that the stock is expected to sell between. This is known as an offering range. Once a company goes public, its stock comes with an opening price. The insider lockup period is usually a set number of days after an IPO, where company insiders or employees with a 10% or higher stake in their company cannot sell shares. Remember to tune in Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern to stay ahead of the curve and listen up as money talks so that you can make informed decisions in this fast-paced digital age. Remember, if you found this information important, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you at the top. Holla. See you at the top. Holla.